Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Destin to Grayton Beach out to 15 nautical miles.